How to upload SD video on WhatsApp status. Here's how. Initially launch the WhatsApp app on your phone. Now open any chat from your list. Then click on the camera icon located at the bottom of the screen. At this point you have two options, to record a new video or to use an existing video. In order to upload a video from your device, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left and select a video from your phone gallery. Likewise, look at the top of the screen and click on the SD button. After selecting SD, hit the send button to proceed. Furthermore, click on the forward icon beside the video and choose My Status. Finally, hit the send button again and your SD video will be directly uploaded to your WhatsApp status. And that's all. This is how to upload SD video on WhatsApp status.